So we are night fishing. Dazzle is in the tree. I don't know why she's in the tree.
Like
And she got her night flare light, and I have one. I got the green. And then Razzle is over here. Where are you going? Where?
That's right there.
Stop walking away. And I don't know where you're going. It's dark out here.
I'm going right there.
No, stay over here where I can see you. It's dark out here. You can't just be walking around in the dark. Okay, this is Dazzle right there. No, that's Razzle. We're fishing with Pickles. Who knows if it's gonna do anything? And she's in the tree. For some reason, I was on live, and for some reason, my live got disabled. I don't know why, but it did. So now I got to look at the YouTube policy. And this is our view. This is not going to be a long video because we're not going to be out here very long. We haven't had any luck catching anything yet, but our neighbors did catch a shark. A baby shark, but it was a shark. Which that was before I came on live. That's our neighbors right there. They caught a baby shark. That's the bridge. We're actually between two bridges.
Do you think I should do a double pickle?
If you want to.
Yeah, that's why I want to go
You can see the cars going across the bridge.
I already ate one earlier. I did a double pickle. Someone definitely gonna eat this.
Not out there.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Three little babies. I'll put one of them for you. Three baby ones. They're small.
Oh, you didn't fall out that tree, did you?
No, I jumped off.
Oh, I was gonna say. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to sit you guys down.
Gigi, you wanna fish?
No, I don't want to fish. I'm good.
What up, sis? I'm about to do some tree fishing. No, don't come up here with all that fish. Stay down there. But Gigi, come to my lighthouse. states there. Look at my lighthouse, guys. Let me see it.
I'll put this one on there.
Okay. Yeah, look at our lighthouses. My lighthouse. Look at mine. Look at mine. You did not build them. This one? I built most of them. Wait, let me get up. Yours can change colors now. Yo, you both can't sit on this bench though. You gotta sit right there. Alright, we all having a lighthouse party. We all having a lighthouse party. Welcome to the Grandma Gigi and the Cruise Lighthouse Party. Yeah. Very comfortable up here. We can look at the clouds and look at the palm tree and the water behind us with the lights flashing like a party. It's what a nice, peaceful night. And then when we get home, I wonder if our mom's cooking our shrimp Alfredo. She's cooking shrimp Alfredo. She might be, the food might be done. Are you jumping off? We're gonna become the legends. Get on here and we're gonna do our handshake. Oh, we're gonna do our handshake up here? Yes. We're gonna become the legends. Cool. You just jumped up here like 2 seconds ago. Alright. Where are you going to say hi? Can you tell her your handshake? No, get down a little bit. Okay. Wait, I can't stand like this. I'm about to fall. Ready? Yeah, let's tell her. Oh wait, I gotta jump on your back. No! I didn't jump on Right. Oh! Bruh, sit down. Bruh. How do I know? My turn. Let me jump on it. No damage. Sit down, bro. Sit down. Y'all hear that, cheese? Y'all hear them trees? Alright, sit down. No. That was not. Sit on this. I'm sitting on this. That. Oh. It's slippery. Ah! What's that pinch in my back? I'm not even touching your back. What's that pinch in my back? The tree. Guys, you want to come up here? Let me show you my view. Gotta come closer to me. Yeah, come. I got it. Okay, we have some palm trees. Alright, then we have look at this. The view of the Look at our view. Look at our view. We should just stare. Look at that party. Look at the water. We're not facing the waterway. The bridge, more water. Gigi, here you go. Alright. Wait, let me hold it. No.
Give it to Roll.
Alright guys, this is what we're sitting in front of. Oh, you're about to drop the camera. Thank you. This is our view. Alright guys. Wait, alright, here you go. Huh?
Alright, guys.
Wait, what are we gonna do with the sardines? Bro, grab your light. Here, Gigi. Bro, grab your light.
Alright, guys.
Grab your light.
So our neighbors are finna go. So we're gonna go too because we don't want to be the only one around here by ourselves.
No, other
So-
people are over there.
But on this side, we don't. Well, if they leave, we're the only ones.
I'm not.
So guys,
what are we gonna do? With
like,
these?
comment, subscribe
What are we gonna do with these?
to
Guys,
see more videos from Grandma Gigi and the crew.
Hold on, wait. Keep jumping. Get the camera down. Move. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump from the highest part. Tada, can you watch me jump from the highest part? Pull it. This is. Keep that. Wait.
The kids want y'all to see them jump from the tree.
I'm gonna jump from the highest part. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna catch you.
Let's hope you don't break anything.
See what?
His dad would be furious. He's already done broke his foot once, fractured it.
Wait, watch this, guys. 3, 2, 1. Wait, jump. I'm scared. 3, 2, 1.
All right, guys.
But wait, no. Watch my landing. I'm landing.
All right, guys. We're getting ready to go because our neighbors are getting ready to go, and we would be the only one out here. We don't want that to happen.
Wait, I'm gonna tell them thank you for letting us see this.
See you guys next time.
What the frick?
Like, comment, subscribe for more videos from Grandma Gigi and the grandbabies. Welcome to the crew. Good night. Good night. Uh-huh. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. I'm trying to get them from out here because we're the only ones over here now. So, what? Hold on, y'all. We're the only ones over here, and I'm trying to get over where the other people at. What is the tides? I don't see nothing on here.
It was tied to some old string.
Come on.
Maya unhooked it for me.
Let's go. It's dark out here. Alright, guys.
Something was tied to my foot and it started.
As you can
And
see,
it squeezed my
I am very scary.
It started squeezing
So,
my.
when the
This is
people leave,
scared?
we
You're
leave.
scared? You're scared?
Yes. We're under the bridge. We have to go under the bridge to get to our car. So, we're walking under the bridge. That's one side.
It's not scary.
Come on.
It's not scary. It's
And this is
windy.
the other side, as you can see.
I gotta go pee.
Come on here.
I gotta go pee.
Come on here.
Yeah. You don't have to yell at me.
Yes, I do have to yell at you because you always want to stop and do something when I'm trying to get somewhere.
I'm gonna be right beside you.
Alright guys, we made it to the other side. This is scary moving. I gotta make sure we're behind it. There's still people fishing though. We gotta climb the rocks like we know. Oh my god, I'm too old. Grandma Gigi is too old. These people are fishing though. Like they're fishing. They're still out here fishing, but we Alright. Alright guys. We gotta make it to our car. It's fun night fishing, but you know, we always got to think about safety first. So, okay, so this is the bridge that we're just under. That we're just under. Get close to view. Yeah, go ahead. Got in there that he's asking, can he go pee? Don't got in there. Alright, let me get up close to the bridge. Now that we're by our car, and you guys can see, this is the top of the highway, right here. This is the top of the highway, and then we were just under this bridge. So, first, going by. Oh Jesus! Oh, oh! Now I gotta walk back down the hill, get to the car. All right, guys.
Bye, guys.
We made it to our car safely. So,
Bye, guys. Thank you for joining Grandma and her crew. Grandma Gigi and the crew.
Grandma Gigi and the crew.
All right, guys.
Follow us, like, and subscribe, and share.
Wait, guys, let's have a little lifesaver roar.
Hold on, wait. Let's have. Wait. Let me put these things down.
Guys,
I don't care where you at. They're gonna find something that they can do. Now they're playing sword with the lights. With the lights. All right, guys. That's it for this.
My shoes. I'm barefoot. I can't put my shoes.
All right, guys. That's it for this video.
Where's my shoes?
All right, let's say it together. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos from
I need
Grandma
my
Gigi
shoes.
and the crew.
Where are my
Thank you
shoes?
guys for watching. Have a good night.